Hello, we're back. Um, you can see, actually got the bags of motherboards out to show you some things I got out. I'm going to show you the rest of the stuff. I just needed to take care of this because I don't know how much time I really have to do all this. That's the motherboard you saw me take out right there. These two strips are out of the screen of a computer of the two other laptops I've taken apart that were broken. I believe this was the old Dell, and this was an older HP one right here. I have an HP laptop, so yeah, it's kind of freaky. Like, oh, is that in my laptop? Nah, I doubt it. But so got this piece. This piece was out of the PlayStation. Yeah, let's do this so it's not so hard on me and not so hard on you. Okay. So this is the piece out of the PlayStation. It has some gold connectors in here. I don't know about this right here. I gotta open these, see what they are. They are what I think they are. It's gonna be pretty fun. Yeah, the rest of these little parts out here I don't really know, but yeah, that's a motherboard for PS3. Okay, those other two here are laptop motherboards. Got which one? I really can't tell which one's which from which laptop, but it doesn't really matter if those things are gone. We got some gold. I think they're gold plated. Little. I don't think you can see them. I can press down right here. You can hear that. Doubt you can. There are little things there. Can't see much. I'm trying to light. Ugh. Can you see? I guess this is better. I prefer the dark, eh? This is better in the dark. So you can... Yeah, you can slightly see those better, huh? Like... see this right there? Little shiny thing I'm pointing at? These little things, I believe they're gold plated. I don't know for sure. Some gold fingers on here and stuff like that. It's really cool. There's the last motherboard. It's pretty cool. I like this stuff. Right, this pad right here. Same thing is on that, which have some gold things in it. Took out these little squares and get them out right now. Here. Okay. Here we go. I guess this will be the next bag I show you too. Things like this. It's a gold plated. You look like this, you see silver because there's white little. It's stuck in like a white thing to keep them in. It's white ceramic. It's really cool, and they can hold quite a bit of gold. I decided I'm not going to take apart the top here in the video because I can just show you what I just basically showed you what you'd find in here. It's like stuff like these. That's about it, and some wires. It's nothing big. If you wanted to just throw that away, I guess you could. But you want to get as much as you can. Okay. What's out here? Oh, hey, a little stuck. Hey, friend, get out of there. There we are. saw that. If you don't remember it, I took a little white sticker off in the video earlier. You may see this video as a separate part because I don't know exactly how to link them. There's another board. Mostly would have silver in it. I'm going to turn the back on the light because this is really bad for the eyes. So, okay. Okay. Sorry about that. Thought you'd see those things better. I guess I shouldn't have left off. That's the hard drive you saw me take out. And when I said I take one apart, this is when I was able to take completely apart. Motherboard. Gold fingers right here. Quite a bit of them. Pretty solid. That's just the board out of it. I took the disc out. You see where they'd be. I'll see about opening up this one to show you. So I didn't have to take off this, which is this right here, to get the discs. So I'll show you that. I have time. I'll show you that. Definitely show you that. Boop. There's the prongs. Accidentally bent these two. It's no big deal. I'm just telling you, I'm not aiming for to keep anything off that. There's a scrap that I'm going to show you the box for that later. The bag or whatever. Okay. That's the inside where you'd see everything. There's some pretty strong magnets in this area right here to read and all that. See that? Kind of hard to see, but it has gold fingers embedded in plastic here. Which is pretty cool. Saw this. Here's one from a bigger laptop and one from about the same size laptop. Same chips and stuff. Basically the same setup if you look at it. There's no difference really. Yes? What? Oh. Sorry about that. Sisters. Oh boy, sisters. Here's another one of those plates. This time, pretty much see all gold. Going off screen there. Pretty much see all gold. That's because they actually melted down gold at the bottom, really. So you can see they're full on color gold. Every direction here. That's just light. Okay. This is a little chip out of a phone. Pretty small. I think that was that phone. I think so, yeah. I don't know for sure. Most likely, it's so small. It's a tiny chip. It wouldn't be in a laptop. They usually can have bigger chips. Okay. So let me take that out of the little old piece of junk that we have. Got this. That was in a laptop, I believe. Yeah, that was in a laptop. It has gold fingers. Some little gold tabs right there, if you can see it against the... I think it's gold. I don't know for sure about these. I know these are gold, at least a percentage. It could be unclean gold, which would be... you can get like 8 karat or more. If you have 24 karat, it's 100% gold. But yeah. This was out of a phone screen. Yeah. Can't imagine that. Out of a phone screen. Pretty good. Not too big of a deal. You saw this when I said that nutrition label. I was actually making a joke about, oh, we're gonna eat this. No, not really. Acid's gonna eat it up later. Give me the gold. Hint, hint. Oh, I did not know I could take that off. Goodbye, piece of plastic. Little gold fingers there. Okay. That's enough of that bag. When I was talking about copper, I got my most off of this. This part, this part, this part, I know this part. This has a copper plated spring, copper-plated spring. See the copper. There's a part right here, copper. So I can scrap that. Most of this is actually the stuff with the, if you can tell, if you open something up, you'll see these things with yellow labels, probably on a yellowish board, green on one side, yellow on the other. It looks like there could be a lot of silver on this side, but I kept that out. I actually kept this out of a bag. I just put it in a bag to get it all ready to see you, or yeah, I guess it can see you. No, for you to see it. These you can do tests, like amp tests with them. I've seen it. Someone tried an amp test on it, and it could go way over the amps it said it would. It's pretty cool. You have a little fuse right here. Guess you can scrap a lot of this for something else other than gold. But I don't. Except for copper. I want copper. There's a lot of wiring. Wiring out of the computer. Lots of wiring. So that. CD player I showed you. I haven't taken it apart yet. I won't in this video because I can show you what you get out of it. Pretty cool stuff. Oh wow. Yeah, they made that stuff built to last. They built that stuff to last. More wiring. Quite a bit more wiring. Let's see. Some of this actually is gold wiring. Okay. Blu-ray reader. Broken, but I can scrap some things in it. Definitely will. Chip. Gold. And these little SD cards or whatever. That little thing on the back. I mean, I'm gonna check it for sure, to make sure, but I believe that's gold. Kept them to be sure. I don't know why I kept this. Maybe I found that they were gold. Yeah, I believe there's gold in there. That can go. I guess I kept that. Maybe my mom was like, I'm gonna make a video in the future, show you what you don't need to keep. It's a little trimming. Just kept it because it falls out. Nah, it ain't gonna work. That's just not gonna work. You see a little edge there? That's not broken. That's actually gold little fingers there. That just is part of wire and they tore off. That's what you want to try to prevent, but that was you couldn't prevent that. Okay, remember that little other little card I said? Yeah, it was part of the phone. It's part of the phone too. This is part of a CD player. Is the good part. Well, one of the good parts. It's definitely actually a magnet in here, and there should be there's copper in this wheel. There's copper in this wheel that you could use, so that's good. Plus, on top of that, that has gold. Okay, another one. See the copper kind of in there. Another one. Yeah, I'm done getting all these out, but that's what's left in that bag after all that gutting of the bag. So I'll put most of this in here. Now we're going to do an exact count on how many phones I took apart. Right here. All old phones we found and shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 phones. These two are similar phones. My dad gave them to me at his shop. They get similar phones all together. So, in fact, if one wasn't working but the board still works, you could probably use that board to replace another that wasn't working. Scrap it for the gold. What I'm gonna do. See how shiny that is? Boom. That was off a really old phone. This is off my old Galaxy. That off a Galaxy. Now, I know you'd be saying, oh, why the f did you tear apart a Galaxy? Well, it was glitching, it wasn't working, and couldn't pay for the bill anymore. Well, I wasn't paying for it, my mom was, and she didn't care. So, took apart the Galaxy, and got this. Not worth it. I had Minecraft Pocket Edition on that. So I'm not total noob on Minecraft, I'm just noob on computer Minecraft. There we go. Old touchscreens. In fact, most of the rest of these here are touchscreen phones. Here. It's pretty cool. See what you get in touchscreen phones. See what you get in button phones. You get these little separate dots. Which is understandable. So, yeah. That's my arsenal of stuff. So, that's about it. If you want to see a video of me taking part in anything else, if I can, I'll do it. If you want to see any science stuff that may come up, if it's in my cheap budget range, if you look it up and like send that information to me, I'll try that. Definitely. Hopefully by then I'd have all this gold done and sell it for the money. If I have over $1 I can definitely get stuff and start actually making a big trend of things. Yeah, so you ever just put in the comments below and subscribe. If you like this video, press like. Thank you.